to the channel. Oh yeah, y'all, on my last video where I took down this fuel tank at, I did find a gas tank at a reasonable price. So what we're gonna do now is try to clean this one, pressure wash it, clean it. Look at all that falling out of there. Good night. It is a rusty bucket. But I need you. I need your help. That pipe.
Pipe. That's on the inside of it?
Uh-huh.
I think it's just a vent.
See now, oh, it's so rusty now. Yeah, it's a vent. We're gonna get ready to put this vinegar and water in here. You out here with me up, y'all. Alright, y'all, we're finna just pour the water out now. Oh, shit, still. There's no chunks in there, too. Oh. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. Oh, look over there, baby. See that? Think we're ready to get all this stuff out of here. Let's see. Alright, y'all, we finna pour this gallon of distilled white vinegar.
Fill her up.
Okay. So, you think we should put 2 more? We actually gonna go ahead and put the 2 gallons in here, y'all. If it don't be enough, then I'll have to get some more. We're gonna fill it all the way up to the top. Alright, we got it filled all the way to the brim.
Yes, I do.
And we just took the little hoses up because it had started to come out right here. So we just took them up so they won't leak all the stuff out. So, let's see a little bit. Alright guys, this tank been sitting for about a week. So I did with my sending unit, look at it y'all. I did, look how it's looking now. Remember it was rusty, if y'all remember from my other video. But I did kind of clean it up a little bit. And that vinegar and water did a good job on it. So I think I can still use this, but I did get a new pump though. Just got my stuff laying right there. Now, even with the fuel pump, it knocked off some, but I'm not going to use this. You see how that's looking? That thing was rusty last time. I'm not reusing. I've just seen what it was going to feel. Going to clean it up real good. Y'all see it look like now. So getting ready to pour it out. Okay, y'all pulled some of it out. Let me let y'all look in there now. I still got some rust in there, but it's kind of hard to get that out. But y'all can see how some of the side of the walls are clean. But y'all see the other side over there. Because remember, all that was way more rusty than that. But I'm finna to pour the rest out. And then we got to put baking soda and water in here to neutralize the vinegar so it won't flash rust on me. Cause I don't have no fuel gas tank sealer, you know, to seal the gas tank on the inside. So I'm just gonna use a little 2-cycle oil once we get it rinsed out. Put some of that around in there and then pour the remainder out. And then, hey, we're gonna put my new pump in there. And we're gonna put this thing back up. See this thing going yang, yang, yang. All right, guys. I'm finna put the baking soda in. I got two cups right now. They said 2 to 4 cups. It go by how many gallons you got, but I really don't know if this are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 gallons. I'm gonna pour this baking soda in here. I'm gonna pour me 2 cups.
Mom, why put it hot
at
in
this moment.
Tupperware?
Huh?
Why put it so hot in Tupperware?
Oh, I got a pound in there. All right, you can go and put it in. Spray it. So y'all, we gonna put this in here. We gonna shake it around and everything. But once I get all the water and everything out, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like inside. Y'all gonna be amazed because I was amazed. Okay, I got my baking soda now, y'all. Some people tell you to put rocks inside or some nuts and bolts or a chain and stuff to break up the rust, but I didn't really have to do that. You know, I just put that vinegar in and I let it sit for like a week. So basically when you put the baking soda and water in, you just shake it around and make sure it can hit every area inside of your tank. Try to neutralize it. Looking in there. Get ready to pull that out, and then I'm gonna dry it out with a heat gun before I put that oil in there. Okay, guys, I rinsed it out with baking soda and water and dried it out as good as I could. So I'm gonna let y'all see in here now how clean it look in there. Still got probably a little bit of rust in it. But way better than it did. Couldn't get it all, but it definitely looked better than it was. So, better get right there. Put this oil in here to do a little coating. So, guys, I just put this 2-cycle oil in here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, you can see it right there. I never knew that oil was blue like that, but I'm about to get ready to swish around to coat the tank. So that's our next step, and then we're gonna drain it out. Yeah, I put that cylinder unit back in already. Now I'm about to get ready to put the fuel pump in. This is the one I got. Where I get this from? I swear I can't even remember. I think I got it off eBay. I know it was online. So that's the new assembly. Put that old one back in there. That thing was too rusty. I'm pretty sure it didn't work also. So that is it. Look at that beauty right there. So guys, just gonna sit it in there. Make sure y'all don't forget y'all little gasket here on that little gasket. Get on in there now. See if I can get it sitting down in the right position. Now, y'all, I'm having a little problem with these fuel pump here. Now, they said this fit my car, and I ordered it off eBay. They said this part fit my car. This is a fuel pump for the 1992 Honda Accord. So everything looks identical, even, you know, the screw holes and everything. But I'm having an issue with getting it flush inside of the tank. So what I noticed was when I turn this around, on this side right here, this piece is stopping me from going all the way down and flushing my tank, and it's a little bit wider than the one that comes off the original. And then even this part right here is even wider. You see how that one is little? Y'all can see here. See how big the gap is between this and this one, and this one sits behind this piece right here too. But I'm having an issue with getting it flush on my tank. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my grinder and I'm gonna grind this piece down to this side right here, so to give it a little more clearance to go flush in the tank, because my screws lining up and everything. It just can't get all the way over to get on the screw because it's hitting the lip on my tank right here. So that's what I'm dealing with. So I'm about to get ready to grind that thing down some with the grinder, and then I'll let y'all know. It's about to stress me out. All right, y'all. Okay, guys, I grinded some off. Y'all can see right here, this slot right here. So be quiet, baby. Y'all see I grinded some out, but that little lip right there, y'all can see it right there. That's still stopping me from going down. But I am, turn the light off for a minute, side. Turn the light off, baby. But I am closer down to it. I'm gonna try to show it to y'all so y'all can see. Let me see. Cause y'all can see now I'm on my you see how I'm on my screw? Well, it went down in there now, but I'm gonna grind some more of that little piece off like it should be. I ain't got my gasket on right now, but like I said, they said that this would fit my Honda, so I just think it just got a little manufacturer defect on this bracket here that I'm trying to modify out to make it get in the tank right. So far, so good. It went in there some more, but I'm gonna go on grind that little piece off. We can get it all the way in now. How to get that little thing on. So I'm gonna grind that little piece off some more. As long as you don't get to this piece right here, because that's what hold this bracket on. It's got a well bead right here, so I'm gonna grind that little piece off. And then it should be flush then. I grind it down some more, but I put my gasket on here now, so about to give it to go back in it. Alright, let's see how that works. Alright, guys, it's in there. You can put the screws on. So if y'all have to buy aftermarket pump, just think about that bracket being a little too wide and get you hemmed up from going back in the flush. And you can just grind it down a little bit. But if you got the time to take or send the part back, then you just send it back until you get one that's gonna work for you. We about to put it back on here. Putting it back in, fold it down, get it nice and snug and tight. Then we about to put this tank back on and crank this Honda up. Don't forget to put your washer right here. You got two washers, one on the bottom and then one on top of your line. So make sure you put that in there. About to put it back up in here.
I'm not here.
Fuel pump back in. We about to crank this thing up for the first time in how long, babe?
16 years.
You lied. You count. You count. All right, come on, crank it up. Let's see what she gonna do.
You ever seen them cars that ain't started in 20 years? This one of them. Go to the back, let them hit it.
All right, come on, come on.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay,
20 years. 20 years,
well,
man.
You count, man. It ain't been 20 years, but it's been a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, she ready to get driven.
Let me show y'all how quick this new car crank up. Like the new one.
All right, y'all, that's it. Y'all stay tuned to the, for the rest of the footage of when we, when I get ready to finish the inside up. My main thing was just trying to get it running. So she back. She ready to skirt. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Y'all share the video. Let me know. Yes, sir, ski.